Hey beautiful people, how are you guys doing? It's your girl Ijoma here. If this is your first time coming across my face, hi, you're welcome. I am Ijoma and you're welcome to my channel. Are you looking for this lotion that's going to give you a polished, luxurious looking skin that will not give you any form of problem, that will not give you green vein, varicose veins, stretch marks, white dots? These lotions are going to lighten your skin in a very safe way that you will not look bleached, you will not have discoloration, uneven skin tone or whatnot. And guess what, these lotions are very much safe to be used for a very long period of time. So the first lotion on my list is the Snapchat lotion. This one right here is going to give you up to 2 to 3 shades super bright and lighter skin. And one thing about this lotion is it will give you this skin like milk kind of skin. This lotion is polishing, it is very hydrating, it is moisturizing, it treats the skin. And this lotion comes in 5 different colors, but I'll be talking more on the best 3 that I know, that I'm very familiar with, which is the blue, the black. This lotion is not a very fast action lotion, but it will surely deliver a very good result for you. The black and the blue does almost similar work. Why the milk color one is for people that are caramel skin that want 1 or 2 shades lighter, why the blue is for people that even if you're caramel you need something more active than the milk color, then you can get the black or the blue. They do similar job. One thing I've come to realize about Snapchat lotion, it works based on skin type. Some people use the milk colored one, they will tell you it gives more results, and some people use the blue. What I'm going to do is just make sure you get these top 3. Anyone, get the blue first, try the blue, try the black, and try the milk color. Which one you prefer the result most, stick to that. That's what's about Snapchat lotion. But if it's about result, it will give you a very good result. So for best result, if you want to get the best out of this lotion, this is what you're going to do. Get any of the color you want, get the serum. Please get the original, please. Then if you want it to be more active, please get it alongside this glutathione comprime, the original glutathione comprime serum, and pair it with it for best result. And you're going to love your skin. This lotion is polishing. This is one lotion that when you're using it, you don't really need external moisturizer because it moisturizes the skin so well, and it is slimy in consistency. It is slimy. If you get any Snapchat lotion, it's not slimy, please dispose it. It is fake. Please dispose, it is fake. The next on our list is the Lighten Up Anti-Aging Body Lotion. If you're looking to lighten up in a very luxurious way, you are looking for something that will give you a very polished, unique color. Like your skin will look very polished, well kept, healthy skin, especially if you are on a mature side. This lotion is something you should get. It is very, very good. It has the lotion, it has a bar soap and stuff like that. Please get this lotion. You're going to love your skin. This lotion is not cheap though, but is so good. This lotion is so good. And another lotion on my list is this PR Francois Bedon Paris lotion. This is a Paris lotion and it is made in France. Do you understand? This one is good. It has different types, but now I'm so particular about the royal, the black one, and the carrot one. Yeah, so this lotion will lighten you up so well. This will treat hyperpigmentation, dark spots, skin discoloration. This is very, very good for you. The one thing about this lotion is it contains some controlled little amount of hydroquinone inside, but it's nothing to worry about. So but one thing you should notice is when you're using this lotion, it might tend to darken at some point. So what I'm going to do is when you're using this lotion, divide it, pour it into another container. Like when you bring it, store it in a very cool area, and also make sure you're not using it, pressing it out frequently from the bottle. What I'm going to do is get another container, pour it out, seal the remaining one. Always pour out as you go. Don't use it in a whole bottle because it might tend to go dark as you use. Do you understand? but this lotion is very good. It's going to give you a very nice color. And if you are using this lotion, if you've used this lotion before, or you are on it now, you would know that this is a very good Paris lotion. The next lotion on our list is the More Than Gold Paris lotion. If you notice, most of the lotions I'm talking about is Paris lotion, and if you know very well, Paris lotion are very good lotions that are well formulated, that are good on the skin, and will not give you much, that will not give you any skin problem. Like, if you need lotion that you can use for a very long time, just go for Paris lotions. They are very good, and that is why and if you know that I mentioned that these lotions are something you can use for a very long time, and that will give you a luxurious polished skin. And that is why this lotion is in the pictures today. And this one is the More Than Gold Paris lotion. If you know this lotion, God, you know something. This lotion is good. It's not overhyped. It's not, this is lotion that you will use. I will give you this rich yellow undertone, though it has different color and it gives different results. It comes in a gold container and a black container, so the only difference is when you look closely to see the write-up written on it. That is when you will know the difference. It has the carrot one, it has the super bleaching, it has the half cast and stuff like that. So but the container is majorly black and gold. Do you understand? So through the write-up you use in differentiating them, this lotion is very good. Just go and purchase this lotion and use. You will love your skin. It will lighten your skin. It is working. So this is a super lightening lotion, like that will give you up to 2 to 3 shades, and it's safe to be used for a very long time. And for best result, you can pair it with this First Health Cosmetics serum. This one, pair it with it and just calm your nerves and use your lotion. You come back and thank me. If you need a very good lotion that you can also use, that would repair your skin, give you a whitening, this one is a whitening lotion. This one will whiten your skin. This is going to repair your skin, especially if you're on the advanced side. You need a lotion that will give you that will repair your skin. Maybe you already have green veins, white patches and whatnot, those kind of skin blemishes. Then this next lotion is your best bet, and this is the Late Raffan Repair Strong Whitening Lotion. This one is made from, if you know people that made the glutathione comprime, this is their brand. This lotion is from them. This lotion is so good. It will whiten you so well. It will help you in repairing your skin, and it is going to lighten you up so well, up to 2 to 3 shades. Like, the color this thing is going to give you is so good. Like, don't get confused though, because I'm mentioning a lot of fine lotions here. Just pick anyone and you are good to go. I'm giving you options in case you don't want this, you can want this, so don't be confused, please. This one will whiten your skin so well. It will fade dark spots from your body. It's going to repair your skin. It's going to clean you up from head to toe. Like, if you need something that will whiten you more, extra, that will give you an extra whitening, just pair it with the serum. It has a serum. It comes with the serum, it comes with the lotion, and it has a face cream. So but if you just want something to just maintain your color, that will give you just a shade or two without extra whitening, just use the lotion only and the face cream and you're good to go. But if you need extra benefits, that you need something that will whiten you more, pair it with the concentrated serum that comes with it. It has its own serum, just like you can see on the. So the next on our list is the qei+ Paris lotion. Now I'm talking about the gold and the carrot one. They are the most active one when it comes to lightening. This is the gold, the whole, get that, and you're going to, and the carrot one is so lightening. Do you understand? It's so lightening. This one will fade your stretch marks. It's going to help in lightening you up so well, and it's safe to be used for a very long time. This will give you a flawless skin. If you know this lotion, you know it. So for best results, pair it with the original glutathione comprime serum. Pair it with it and you would get with a very good body wash, your skin glow will be elevated. Do you understand? The last on our list today is the It's one of my Odogu lotions. They are not common, but this is one Paris lotion that when you use it, you would know that, oh my god, this lotion is good. It's the PR Plus Lightning Paris lotion. This lotion is so good. This is one Paris lotion I can give my 10/10 minus nothing. But one of the downside of this lotion is also it darkens with time. If you are in overseas, you are the type that will benefit more from this lotion because the weather there, I think they made it for people in Yankee. But if you're in Nigeria and you need good lotion, this is why you're going to use this lotion. When you get this lotion, please don't use it, like, don't be pouring it out from the bottle. When you get it, divide it, just use it as you go. Pour out the quantity you can finish for like 2 weeks and keep the rest in the refrigerator. If you keep it in a hot place, it will go watery and it will get, the color will go dark with time. That is one of the downside of this lotion. But when it comes to lightening, super lightening, giving skin like milk, blemish free, treating the skin, I give it 10/10 minus nothing. It's not common. No, people that knows the lotion, they know something already. They know that this lotion is good. Do you understand? So get this lotion if you need a very good flawless skin. And I hope with this list of lotions, you'll be able to get the best lotion for you that will sustain you for a very long time, that will tackle your skin needs, that will serve you the purpose of why you got it. This is not lotion you will keep trying your luck, buy this, buy that, buy this, buy this. Is lotion for, especially for matured women, a matured skin. These are the lotions that you're going to use and you will look flawless, light, and you will not battle with stress and agents like that. Do you understand? So I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please help me like this video, share it to people that might be in need of this video also. And thank you for watching. I see you guys in my next one. Bye. I love you guys. Bye.